Hi guys, thanks to Anushri ma'am for having me here. In this short video, I'm going to answer the question how I got into Big Four, and to answer this in one single word, I would say through LinkedIn. So if you haven't already created a LinkedIn account, the first thing you got to do is create a nice LinkedIn account and connect with the right people. These people can be associates, managers, partners, HRs of the Big Four firms or for any firm that you're designing to enter into. What happens is after the intermediate results are out, all the firms will start posting their vacancies on LinkedIn. Either you can directly send your resume to the mentioned email, or you can request these people who are already working in the organization to refer your CV on the portal. Trust me, there are a lot of nice people on LinkedIn and they will be more than happy to help you. The Big Four firms also keep uploading their vacancies on the websites. So you can also create an account on the website and you will be notified from time to time about the vacancies. In my personal opinion, above all, LinkedIn is the best platform and you should make full utilization of this platform. I don't think without this platform it would have been possible for me to get into Big Four. If you have any queries, you can put them down in the comments section and we will be coming up with more videos.